Orrays were large creatures native to the planet Geonosis, and the Geonosians used them as mounts. Sturdy quadruped reptiles, Orrays were native to the deserts of Geonosis and were distinguished by their long snouts and tails. These Orrays, which were tamed by Geonosians, had their tails removed due to their stinger-tipped tails and replaced with metal caps to cover their stump. Utilized for their strength, which along with their hardiness made them ideal mounts and beasts of burden, the Orray had great strength and a quick gait, and to be tamed, these creatures had to have their stinger-tipped tails removed, much like castration, and they also served to make them more docile. While the Orrays were known to feast on the larvae of Geonosian young, devouring thousands in a single meal, the Orrays use their long snouts to root inside the sensitive egg chambers of the Geonosian hives. A very cool species in the Star Wars universe. We only get to see them in Episode 2 in the arena, and I think it's pretty interesting that the Geonosians would tame a species that kills their young. You know, why would they have them so close to them? But I guess if their tails are removed, they're more docile. I wonder what the Geonosians would feed these creatures if their main food source was their young themselves. But a very, very cool species, kind of like a big lizard. Certainly interesting and could be ridden as well. I would like to see these across the galaxy, or if they even can live inside other planets. I think Geonosis is the only place where they exist, but very, very cool. Definitely would like to know more about these creatures. Again, I would just like to see more of them across the galaxy and not just in Geonosis. However, I do think they may be extinct after the Empire committed genocide on the Geonosians post the construction of the Death Star. So this species may be extinct inside of Star Wars. And with that, until next video, goodbye. Subscribe if you'd like.